Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bella of Bella Natural Care. Today I feel so ambitious and motivated. I just finished making pasta tuna salad. Now I am going to show you how I make Bella's hot tomato and pepper sauce. Yes, I totally came up with it. I experimented with it, I like it, and I decided to make it and show you all. So let's go and do it. Over here we have our ingredients. I have 2 onions. I'm going to use 3 garlic cloves. 3 garlic cloves. I'm gonna use this much ginger, not this, but this. I don't know, it's big, so I don't know, maybe, is it 2 thumbs? That. Then I have the peppers. I think I'm going to use all of them, so let's see. And then I have black pepper that I crush up. Not so much because it's gonna go on the blender, in the blender. And I have my favorite seasoning of all, Kapana sauce, all the way from Namibia. I have here hot dry chilies, those hot chilies, Namibian chilies, you know, those small red ones. Yes. I have salt. I'm gonna put on a little bit, and here it's my mother-in-law's spice, so I don't know what she put in there, but I think it's also peppers and stuff like that. Maybe if she give me the recipe, I will show you how she made it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up my ingredients, and then I'll show you later what's the next step. In the pot, we are going to add olive oil and let it cook. How much is that? I think that's about 3 tablespoons. Now leave it here for the next batch. That's about 3 tablespoons, I think. It's not that much. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit more oil because when I blend up the second batch, I'll just add it to what's in the pot already, so I don't need to do twice the oil. And now here is my mixture. Look at it, guys, and I can tell you it tastes good already. So I am gotta reduce the fire. Oh my gosh, look at all that bubble. I have a lot of work to do. Woo, you guys see this? Watch out for the bubble. Lord have mercy. Anyway, That's what you have to do. Put it in there and let it cook. I made a mess. I think the oil was too hot. Yeah, okay. And I just cleaned the stove before I started. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that mess over here too. Holy moly. So guys, the sauce is cooking. It's just bubbling away. I'm gonna cook it until it is a little bit thick. Like right now, it is not thick yet. So I'm gonna cook it until it's thick, and then I'll let it cool. And yeah. I forgot to tell you guys about tomato paste. This is about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So this is a good time to add it though, when it's bubbling and cooked for a while and it's getting thicker. So this thickens a little bit, but also to just make that perfect color. Don't forget your tomato paste. Show you how it's coming along. Look at, it's getting thick. I don't cook it covered because I don't want additional water. So I want the water to evaporate. That's why it is open, and I cook it the whole time like that. When it's beginning to thicken, it bubbles. So you have to watch out for that. And yeah, and the tomato paste of course thickens it. Oh Lord have mercy. You can lower the heat as well, that helps with the bubbling. And look how beautiful that is. So guys, it's done. Look at this. It is thick. I'm going to turn it off and let it cool. So that's it. I'll let it cool, and I think I'm gonna leave it for overnight and come back tomorrow. But look at that. You see how thick it is? So this is the next morning. It is completely cooled down. You can see how thick it is. All the water evaporated out, and what is left, it is just to put it into containers. I have here an airtight container or jug with that nice wrapper over there, and there's no air going in, so I will just fill it up, and then the rest I'll put on the other normal bottle that I just saved from something else. And I will use the sauce on the normal bottle first, because the airtight container keeps things for a little bit longer. So guys, look at that sauce. I made it. I just came up randomly with it and experimented with it, and I can tell you it is very, very tasty. You can always put on your favorite spices, whatever you want. There's no rules, but just try it. You gotta try it. I use it for pasta when I'm cooking pasta, and also my spaghetti bolognese, or just some kind of stew, and it just worked. Instead of using store-bought sauce, just make your own. It is that easy. So yeah, I also have to tell you that this sauce is still in my fridge in the airtight container, and I have used it 3 separate times, 3 different separate times in different cookings, and it is still good. It has been over 3 weeks and is still doing very well in my refrigerator, not even in the freezer. I didn't end up freezing it. I just put it in that airtight jug, and I put it in the fridge, and it's still as good as new. You just have to try it, guys. You just really have to try it. It is simple and it's delicious. Put on all your favorite spices and you will enjoy it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you are inspired to try this. Please give me a like, give me a comment, give me a share. Please help share the video. And thank you very much. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.